Hi, my name is Dwayne Squires.
My name is Richard Muse.
And this is going to be a short video over property sourcing package deals. So, just to start off with, we've got a number of videos talking about different sourcing packages we put together. And feel free to watch them by clicking this link above. Now, we'll just go through another example in this video too. So, rather than being theoretical, and we thought we'd make sure it's a real life example where we walk you through the whole deal and hopefully we answer any questions you may have. But if we don't answer it all, please feel free to raise a comment in the comments box and we'll respond as soon as possible.
Yeah, this property that we packaged up was in Hartlepool, a nice 3-bed property. The owner wanted to sell quickly. She was emigrating, and this is actually just completed last week. So the sale process was, yes, we agreed a fee, a price, sorry, for the property. We found a buyer pretty much straight away, but there was some refurbishment work to be done. So a little bit different. What happened was it exchanged contracts. The refurbishment work was done by the buyer, a small bit in 2 weeks we're talking about, and then it completed. So it was we did arrange everything for the investor, arranged contact with the refurbishing team, and then with a letting agent as well. And the property is now, I believe, last week it's got a new tenant in. Brilliant. So that's a full package from start to finish. That we've not just sold the property, we've overseen the refurbishment and we've overseen it being re-let.
And how long did that process take?
It took, I think, just under 7 weeks. And the vendor's more than happy because she was going to Australia in a fortnight's time. And that was all completed and done very, very quickly. Yeah. She was over the moon, got a lovely email off her. Not often, you know, the people email you straight away and say, well, thank you. But she really appreciated the job we did. Brilliant,
brilliant. And how did the investor find it?
The investor found it, I think, through our website and for our marketing, actually, for our direct marketing. And they loved the property. It was actually a little bit different to the ordinary ones in the street. And this is what I was saying before. It was a 3-bedroom, so they get a much higher rent on it. So the buyer was really pleased, really thought it was a good property and at good value and a discount to the market value, a nice discount as well.
Brilliant. Thanks for sharing that. I think, you know, we've got a lot of testimonials from other investors. So if you want to see those, please feel free by clicking the link above, and that will take you to our website, which shows videos as well as written testimonials from investors that keep on purchasing from us and are over the moon. Thank you for watching that video. If you're thinking of investing in property, have you considered investing in North East? If you have or you haven't, why not check out the full video playlist we created, which gives you the full deep dive in investing in property in the North East. Check it out.